Hello everybody, good evening. Welcome to Nurse Nuto channel. Today we will continue mechanical ventilator videos. The last video we speak about the parameters which appear in the screen of mechanical ventilator. Today we will speak about who is indicated to put mechanical ventilator for him and what is the modes of mechanical ventilator. Let's start. Who is indicated? At first, the people who have respiratory failure. Here, if you check the patient auto saturation or SaO2, if less than 60, we know the normal range for this one from 95 to 100%. So here, if the percent of auto saturation is below than 60, so this patient need mechanical ventilator. If you draw ABG for the patient and PaO2 in ABG less than 50, so this is indication. If BaCO2 more than 50, this is CO2 increased in the patient blood. So here need to put mechanical ventilator. If pH of the patient is 7.225, we know the normal range of pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Okay, so at this time we need to put the patient. At final, the patient here who takes decision for this one is doctor. Doctor is the decision maker for this one. Maybe he don't want to put the patient on mechanical ventilator. Maybe he want to put him in CPAP, non-invasive CPAP. Okay. The second thing is cardiac arrest. At the time of cardiac arrest, we need to put the patient for intratracheal tube. Then, after the patient come back, we can put the patient on mechanical ventilator. Okay. If the patient is coma or glass coma scale below than 80, so the patient here lost his conscious level or disoriented. So at this time, we put for the patient on mechanical ventilator. If the patient have any neurological disorder like CVS, brain tumor, like this, so the patient at this time he didn't recognize anything, the organ start to have failure. So at this time we need to put the patient on mechanical ventilator. If the patient under GA, so the patient is sedated, fully sedated, so we need to put the patient here on mechanical ventilator to give him breath. Okay. Other side of respiratory failure like COPD. At this time in COPD, the doctor maybe put the patient in CPAP non-invasive instead of putting a tube. If the case is worse, so the patient here need to put intratracheal tube and put the patient on mechanical ventilator. At case of ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, at this time the lung is collapsed, so we need to put the patient on mechanical ventilator to open the lung and maintain the oxygenation of the patient. Last thing is pulmonary edema. Anything in we know as this pulmonary edema, the patient have accumulation of fluid in the lung, so he can't breathe. So we can put the patient here on non-invasive CPAP. If not perfect with the patient, so we transfer to invasive CPAP or mechanical ventilator. Okay. The next thing we will speak about the modes of mechanical ventilator. At first, you need to know this volume cycle and pressure cycle, the difference between each others. At volume cycle, here tidal volume is constant. Tidal volume is constant, and this one, the PIB or pressure, is the one changed. Here in pressure, tidal volume is the one changed. Here we will fix for the patient the pressure. So here in pressure, the one fixed is pressure. The one changed is tidal volume or the volume enters the lung. In volume, the one fixed is tidal volume or the amount of air entering the lung. The one changed is PIB or the pressure. Okay. For the modes, we will divide those to three categories. The first category is ventilator. Ventilator here is the one who do everything. The patient didn't do anything. Here, the ventilator only is the one working. Here, ventilator plus patient. Both of them work. Both of them help each other. Okay. Last thing is patient. Patient only is the one do everything. Ventilator didn't do anything. Okay. At first, ventilator. Here must be the patient fully sedated or relaxed. Okay, or in deep coma. So at here, the patient didn't do anything. Only the ventilator is the one work. The first thing is CMV. CMV is continuous controlled mandatory ventilator. This mode, continuous or controlled. So here, pressure or volume all the time is pushing at any time. So here it is controlled or fixed for the patient. Mandatory, this is obligatory for the patient to take this volume or this pressure at this time. Okay, it is if this one under pressure, so it is BCV. This is pressure is the one fixed. Here, if the volume is the fixed, so it will be VCV. Here, advantage of this one, inspiratory time is more than expiratory time. So this one decrease lung injury, and makes the patient more comfort. Okay, disadvantage of this one, if there is any air resistance, if there is any obstruction in the airway, so when the air pushed inside the lung, so here the amount of air didn't enter all the amount in the lung. So here, this is the disadvantage of this one. Okay. Second thing is ventilator plus patient. We will take ACV. This is the mode, ventilator plus patient. Here, the patient start the breath, or take the inspiration, then ventilator continue the channel. For example, like this. Here, the patient start inspiration, then the machine continue inspiration and give expiration. Then again, the patient start ventilation or start inspiration. So machine continue inspiration and expiration. Okay, like this. This is the cycle for this one. So ACV here, let the patient start inspiration, then he continue, or the machine continue inspiration and expiration for the patient. Okay. Disadvantage of this one is tachypnea. If the patient have tachypnea, so here at this mode the ventilator didn't understand. So the patient, when the patient start ventilation, he continues. So the patient here have tachypnea, so he will do hyperventilation for the patient. At this time, we need to solve this hyperventilation. So we can sedate the patient or give the patient sedation to let the patient relax, okay, or transfer to SIMV. SIMV, this synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilator. Synchronized, this do synchronization between the patient breath and ventilator breath. At this mode, ventilator here, let the patient take his breath as he want, slowly, tachypnea, bradypnea, anything. So the patient here take breathing. Once the patient stop or the patient have apnea, so the ventilator give breath. So here at SIMV, the ventilator let the patient take his breath with alone. He didn't support. But when the patient have apnea or stop breath, here at this time the ventilator gives the patient push or gives the patient breath at this time. Okay. This is the best mode for weaning, because here let the patient take his own breath. Okay. After that, the patient here is the one have control on mechanical ventilator. So here ventilator didn't do anything. Okay. The first mode is PSV. PSV, this pressure support ventilation. Pressure, he do pressure to the patient when he take his breath during inspiration only, Okay. So here, as we said, the patient is the one control in tidal volume and respiratory rate. Okay. The last thing is CPAP and BiPAP. Both of them is look like so here, but there is a small difference or two difference between CPAP and BiPAP. Here CPAP is continuous positive airway pressure. Okay, this one do positive airway pressure, so increase the air entering the lung, so he didn't let collapse happen to the patient, so he improved oxygenation of the patient. Okay, this one BiPAP is bi-level positive airway pressure. Here he give positive pressure during inspiration and expiration. In inspiration it's IBAB, IBAB. During expiration it's EBAB, EBAB. Okay. At CPAP, we can put CPAP in non-invasive or invasive mode. Invasive by intracheal tube or tracheostomy tube. Non-invasive by the oxygen mask or oxygen for CPAP. Okay. BiPAP only non-invasive. Only what? Non-invasive. Okay. Both of them used in obstructive sleep apnea. If the patient has obstructive sleep apnea, so he used this one during sleeping. So he used one of them, BiPAP or CPAP, as doctor order. Or at a case of COPD, so this patient at this time can use both of them or one of them. Okay, but after doctor order for this one. Okay, now we finish our video today. If you like this video, please don't forget to do subscribe and share. Thank you.